This amazing method is better than injectables and surgery. Welcome to Angelic Lift. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to never miss out on another video.
You would usually get Juvederm or Restylane in the nasolabial fold area, more commonly known as the frown or smile lines, in order to get your cheeks to look more plump and your frown lines and your wrinkles on your mouth to come down. They cost about $600 to $700 to perform every 3 to 6 months, and every year it comes out to several $1,000s. Or you can actually take the intense pulse light, bipolar radio frequency, have the 140 degrees of Fahrenheit light go through your skin, melt the fat underneath the skin that's causing your jowls to droop and your cheekbones to droop, and then tighten the skin afterwards to make sure that the now vacated fat is not orphaned by skin with that droopy look, and it can actually be form-fitting. In other words, you're basically laminating so that it can be as tight as possible with your muscle and or your bone and have the most natural look without paralyzing the muscles here. You can also take the same theory, apply it to the lips, and make them tighter, more plump, so that you can avoid collagen injections, which are also very much an X factor wild card. You might end up looking very much like Angelina Jolie, or more likely like somebody who's impersonating a duck. It depends on whether or not you want to take that risk with the middle of your face and how you look like professionally and personally for the rest of your life. Now, by passing 140 degrees in this pattern, you're basically stretching the skin out by melting the fat underneath the skin without cutting the skin, so that you can further accentuate the firmness of that area, the improvement on laxity, but also the slight wrinkles that you have on the lips, whether it be from smoking, sun damage, or aging. And as you're tightening this area, you're moving it as far apart as possible, as you would a carpet with 4 corners. The more you pull the 4 corners apart, the more everything in the middle of the carpet becomes tighter, flatter, and less bumpy. So we're going to heat the skin and stretch it into opposite directions so that we can have the most natural looking, firm, lifted appearance possible. There's several variations of how you can go about this to make the cheekbones more lifted, to make them more chiseled, to make the frown lines come down more, to make the lips more plump, or to reduce the little cleft at the crow's feet and the bags underneath the eyes, which are impossible to address with the surgery or injectables. You can't penetrate the area underneath the eyes for the obvious medical reasons, for blinding and other health risks that might incur as a result of that. You can do all of the above with Angelic Lift safely, as you can see here.
If you'd like to transform your life like this patient, text 386-855-8633.